Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to delete Bigo account permanently. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open Bigo application, then get logged into your account by providing correct account credential, that is your Bigo account ID and password. At very first, you need to tap in the profile section on bottom right corner. Click down. Here you can see the option of settings. You tap on it. Inside settings, you can see account management. Tap on it. Scroll down to the end. Here you can see the option of account ownership. Just below, if you read carefully, you can see delete account. You tap on it. Account deletion condition. Here you need to meet all these options to delete your account. If you passed all the conditions, then you tap on confirm and continue. Here you can read all the information provided by Bigo before the account deletion. You tap on the checkbox, then you tap on delete account. Confirm to delete account. If you are sure for your account deletion, you go in for tapping deleting account. Your process for deleting account will get registered to Bigo and account information and all the data will be deleted after 20 days. You tap on delete account. As you can see, the account has been deleted successfully as I have been directed to the login page of Bigo. This is how you can delete your Bigo account permanently. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how easily you can delete Bigo account permanently. Thank you.